Alright guys, welcome to the video. So today I'm doing a video on a Tesla Model 3. Now I just picked this up from the service center. This is actually a loaner vehicle. And this thing is absolutely filthy. And my Model X, my black Model X is in the shop today and could be over the weekend. It's a Friday, so they're probably gonna have it till Monday. So I've got to drive this all weekend, which should be a fun experience, but it's super dirty and I need to get this thing washed up. So I'm gonna do a wash, vacuum, kind of a slight detail on this Model 3, even though it's not mine, it's a loaner. So the Model 3 is all clean, vacuumed out, smelling good, looking good. So now I'm going to put some miles on it. We're going to do I want to do a comparison video. My next video is going to be a comparison between this and the Model S. If you're looking at a Tesla, do you buy a used Model S or do you buy a new Model 3? That's kind of a question I had, and I want to answer that now that I've spent some time in this car. So stay tuned in that video. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.